Okay na.
Okay, there are 3 steps that you need to follow in underhand throw. So it starts with the SST. What's ang S? Everybody read.
Swing the arm backward.
Okay. Next S.
Step forward with the opposite foot.
And T.
Throw the ball gently underhand toward the target.
Okay, this is how you can do the swing, the step, and the throw. But I will demonstrate first on how to do it. First is that you need to swing. Please eyes on teacher. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so next, first that you need to do is that you need to swing. Swing your arm backward. Swing arm backward. And then you need to step forward with the opposite foot. So, sa may opposite foot sa inyong hand. So, wala. Swing, step, and throw. Okay? Right, so swing, step, throw. Muna ang underhand throw. Okay, all together please stand so that we can demonstrate the swing, step, and throw. So, please stand. And all together, let's do the step for the underhand throw. We need to
Swing.
swing,
Step.
swing, swing. What's next?
Step.
Step
Throw.
and throw. Again, all together. Swing,
Step.
step, throw. Again, swing, step, throw. So, morning ang underhand throw. Okay, you can say next, we have the overhand throw. Unsa to una nga kind of throw?
Underhand.
Throw. Ang ikaduha is the overhand throw. So it starts with the letter S, A, and R. S, everybody please read.
Step forward with the opposite foot.
Okay, this is how you can do the overhand throw. You need to step forward with the opposite foot. This is your opposite foot. And you need to aim to the target. And then you need to release the ball above the shoulder level towards the target. So, una is step,
Aim to the
aim, and you need to release the ball. Okay, that's everybody please stand for the overhand throw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Step, aim, and throw. Okay, again. Step, aim, and throw. Okay. That's for the overhand throw. What are the 2 types of throwing?
underhand throw and overhand throw.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to catching. Kung mo-throw ka, mo-catch ka. So the first step in catching is that you need to reach your hands forward. And then you need to grab the ball softly. And lastly, you need to give way and absorb the impact to control it. So this is how we can do on the catching. So we need to, if na ang ball sa padung mo sa gikan sa babaw, then you need to reach, grab, and give. Sa to? Reach, grab, and give. Okay. Please stand for that. Now, bawat sa babaw that you need to reach, grab, and give. Again, all together. Reach, grab, and give. If nasa ubos ang bola, reach, grab, and give. Again, reach, grab, and give. Okay, please take your seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, throwing and catching has also some benefits towards our body. First is that it improves hand-eye coordination. So, if mag-practice ta og throwing and catching, then ang atong hand and eye will work together and that we can quickly and fastly move. So, first is that it improves hand-eye coordination. Next benefit is that it strengthens arm and leg muscles. So, if we will practice throwing and catching, then it will help us to have stronger muscles, arms, and legs. So, we can have stronger muscles, arms, and legs. Third, it develops focus and concentration. So, this time, if we will practice throwing and catching, we will also follow some rules so that we can have some focus and concentrations toward throwing and catching. And fourth,
Q.
the third benefit that we need to consider is it develops focus and concentration because when we throw and catch a ball, we will follow some rules and it will help us to focus and concentrate in throwing and catching a ball. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, H. A. Okay, down. The fourth benefit is that it encourages teamwork and cooperation. So, when we play throwing and catching a ball, then it will help us to cooperate with our members, to listen, to share their ideas, and also the real victory comes from teamwork and fair play. Again, let us all together say, the real victory comes from
Teamwork
and fair play. Teamwork and
Fair play.
And lastly, it promotes active and healthy living. So it can help our body in physically fit and strong. So what are the two types of throwing?
Underhand and overhand.
Overhand throw.
Okay, so unsa man ang mga steps in underhand throw? Unsa may mga steps sa underhand throw? Maybe the idea coming from Nika. Unsa may mga steps sa underhand throw? Okay, can you please stand up? Can you please demonstrate here in front yourself ang underhand throw? Okay, again. Okay. Is it correct? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, steps sa underhand throw is that? Swing, step, and throw. So, sakto si Nika. And then, let's have the overhand throw. Saan may mga steps sa overhand throw? may hear the idea coming from Roxanne. So, may mga steps. Can you please be here in front and show to your classmates some steps sa overhand row? Step, aim, okay, very good.
very good,
Let's give 3 claps for Roxanne.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, steps sa overhand row, guys. Step, aim to the target, and then you need to release. Step, aim, release. How about catching? May hear the idea coming from Rachel. Yes, breathe. Breathe. Again.
Reach, grab,
Grab,
give.
give. Okay. Very good. Let's give 5 claps for your 3 classmates. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So today, what is the importance of following the steps in throwing and catching? So sa importance in following the steps of throwing and catching. A weird idea coming from Rachel. What is the importance of following the steps in throwing and catching?
Following the steps in throwing and catching helps you to avoid any accident or injury.
Okay, thank you. Let's give 5 claps to Rachel. Okay, so when we follow the steps of throwing and catching, it will help us to avoid any injury or any troubles and mga masamad ka dali. That's why we need to follow the steps in throwing and catching. So what one benefit that you can remember in throwing and catching? Yes, Raji. Okay, let's give 5 claps for Raji. Okay, it develops hand-eye coordination, also, and it is really correct. Now, test your knowledge. If you truly understand our topic this afternoon, we will be having a group tournament. But first, I have here, this group tournament has 2 rounds with 3 participating teams, the red team, the yellow team, and the blue team. Each team will receive flaglets that represent your team. So where is the group 1 or the red team? Okay, you can now receive your flaglet. And for the second team, the yellow team. And for the blue team. Okay? Let us read first the mechanics for the round 1.
Each group will form a straight line and all members must face at the back except the first player on each group. The teacher will show or whisper an action word. Example, swing, step, release to the first player only. The first player taps to the next player on the shoulder. Only when tapped, then
Okay, please read the mechanics for the round 1.
each group will form a straight line and all members must face at the back except the first player on each group.
The teacher will show or whisper an action word. Example, swing, step, release to the first player only. The first player taps to the next player on the shoulder.
Only when tapped, the next player turns
Around, observes the action and performs it before passing it to the next teammate the same way. This continues until it reaches the last player. And the last player will say what action was performed and identify
it is an underhand throw.
overhand throw or catching skill. Each group will be given one ball and will form a line. The first player starts by performing a correct throw overhand to the next player. The next player must catch properly using reach, grab, give, and then pass it to the next teammate. But immediately after the catch, teacher signals using her whistle. Both learners hold their stance. Teacher checks throwers' form and catcher's stance. Corrections are given on the spot.
The ball continues until it reaches the last player.
The last player will raise the flaglet once finished. Hmm.
Arms forward raise. Arms sideward. Okay. So, let's have first the first player of each group. And the rest will face the back. And this is
Hindi ka mapilinsi?
Ako na lang.
Kay mo. Ako na mag-save. Hi, Loy!
And then arms forward raise. And arms sideward. Okay. Then the first player will come here and the rest will
Otro game mo.
face in front. Arms forward raise. Arms sideward. And let's have the first player. And the rest will face back. So this is the first. Go. Fun. Love, nasa naman tali na ako. Nag-video ka ba? Nag-video ka ba? Ayaw ito, ilang ko tapos. 3, step, go. Ayan na yan. Sige, balik. Ayan, doon ka rin. Mana ka. Ikaw ba? Di ka mamina nag-instruction na? Hello! Now go back to right. And let's know if inside the back. Okay, so kinsa ka ang santo? So, it is the red team and the blue team. Okay, so for the second action, but ang ano po, Karen? You can go the back. You now ready? Okay. Go. No speaking, no speaking. I will disqualify the teammate and the group na nag-speak. How about okay? Everybody got 5 points. At the back na pod and another player. Oh my god. No speaking. Go! No speaking. No speaking. No speaking. Okay. How about okay, so you can Saman. Ikaw naman ang laso. What would be the steps? Okay. Okay, you may now go back to your respective line. And everybody got points. For the next round, we will be having this one. Okay, form a line, straight line, arms forward raise, arms sideward. Okay, so on each team, we receive 1 ball. Okay, so ansabi, face on your left side. And then arm sideward. Straight line, please. Straight line. And face here in front. All you need to do is that ang first person will throw sa second person using the overhand throw. Is it clear? You know what to set an overhand throw? Okay. And wait for the further instruction. And in-throw niya, you have to touch using the wrist, grab, and give. Ito to? Grab and give. And then, muwiso sa teacher para matubaw sa teacher og kinsa tong sakto ang pag-execute sa step in step check and drawing. So, inigka-throw, mukat, muwiggle ko, then mo stop sa na. Gusto mo nga na, that's for stop. Oh. And also, inig, wisa na po na ako throw, that's the time na mo go na po, mo throw na po siya. And then, ang umabot sa last person. Ang umabot ka sa last person, dapat i-catch ni first person ang ball. Para makasulat ko si first person na muli, mo-grab and give. Is that clear? So, ang last person, mo-throw.
What if mahagpong teacher?
No
Talikon?
boy. Or,
Di pwede balikon?
Dili kay. There are only one attempt man. There is only one attempt. Isa to, nag-grow mo. Isa to, yung stop. Natawa na ito, pinsa to, sakto nga paglarit, grab, give. Reach. Kanya, mawin sa to ko, niya mo, slow na pa. Nag-video na kami pa. Ayun na, video. Ay, ito, yakin.
Ano ba?
Na, mo sa teacher para mo-help or stop. So, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay? Ayaw na tapos, mandok, yung kamadala. Okay? Everybody got to perform the basic steps of throwing and catching. Then we have the ball. And can you please line up? Line? Can you please make line? And we can now go back. And the game is finally over. So, do you want to know who are the winners for today's group tournament?
Yes!
Let's go. Okay, I will announce first, the second, or the third place. Third place goes to the yellow team. Where is the yellow team? Can you now receive your certificate? Yellow team.
Ila Aaron!
And for the second place, we have the red team.
Representative, boy. Representative, ba? Sulong.
Jane! Good! Kita may mga taga sa itong mga kapit.
Okay, thank you for the participation. And for the winner, we have the first place. We have the blue team. The blue team will receive a certificate and a trophy. Congratulations for the blue team. And I hope you learn something for this coconut.
Dara ka rin, ang tagumpay ay sa
Okay,
iyo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please take your seats. And get your paper so that you can answer our assessment. Are you now done?
Yes.
Okay. And for your assignment, can you get your assignment notebook and copy this one? Done? Okay. And everybody stand for our closing prayer. Then of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Goodbye, my dear grade 3, Dahlia.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher Rachel. See you.
Okay, I hope you learned something.